Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and today I'm very excited to bring you probably one of the most beautiful 2016 Sea Ray 270 Sundecks. This is powered with a Merc Cruiser 350 Magnum, and absolutely a beautiful boat. Look at the colors on the interior. Blue canvas, and we'll get some nice shots that you can take a look online with the blue hull, etc. So what's nice on the 270 Sundeck is that you've got tons of space. Look at all the seating area here on the port side, and right now we do have the seat pushed back so that you can use that as a lounger. And of course it'll fold forward, so if somebody wants to sit there facing forward, they can do that as well. Nice big head on this boat, and this has the pump out potty on board, and it doesn't look like it's ever been used. It is super clean, super nice. And again, you got the window option in here so that you've got ventilation as well as the little sink. Then as we go forward, take a look again at the big seating area up front on the 270. Got plenty of room here for somebody that's 6'1" to stretch out, and the armrests make it very, very comfortable. We also have the boarding ladder on the front, so that like here, if you want to pull up on the beach and get on and off, you can. And of course you have the shower or wash down here on the front so that you can wash your feet off as you come back on board the boat. Again, on the starboard side, nice big seating area, armrest, speakers forward, super nice sound system on this boat. Don't forget the floor storage up here in the front, as well as the floor storage in the keel area here between the helm seats. Table will store underneath the console, and very, very nice opportunity for 6 or 8 adults to sit back here and enjoy the sunset or the moon coming up. Nice big bimini top, so you've got plenty of shade. As you can see, we're heading into the sun right now. And also the sports arch. With the sports arch, you got plenty there if you want to pull the kids on wakeboards, or just the styling that it adds as you take a look at the profile of the boat. Again, this is a beautiful Sea Ray 270 Sundeck, all the right colors. Boat has been well taken care of on a lift here, as well as being covered with the canvas. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax. Take a look at the details on board. Give us a call. This boat is absolutely ready to go.